Located in the Coast Mountains, about 60 kilometers from Vancouver in Maple Ridge, British Columbia, the Malcolm Knapp Research Forest is managed by the UBC Faculty of Forestry as an outdoor lab for students and faculty to undertake extensive learning and conduct a range of topical research. Established in 1949, the Malcolm Knapp Research Forest covers 5,157 hectares, encompassing a diversity of forest types, ecological zones, lakes, and streams typical of the southwestern coast of BC. It has a large collection of trees, plants, and animals, including Douglas fir, western red cedar, and western hemlock. The forest is named after Malcolm Knapp, who began his teaching career at UBC in 1922. As a professor of forestry, Malcolm Knapp was a pioneer in British Columbia's forest education. His vision of having a large, ecologically diverse forest for conducting research led to the creation of the UBC Research Forest in 1949. Professor Knapp was the first person in BC to receive the Registered Professional Forester (RPF) designation. He served as the Research Forest founding director until his retirement in 1963. Professor Knapp's legacy has enriched the lives of thousands of students and forest professionals. The Malcolm Knapp Research Forest is home to some 400-year-old trees, although the majority of the trees are 70 to 120 years old. There are dozens of ongoing research projects at the Malcolm Knapp Research Forest, ranging from riparian management, silviculture, wildlife, hydrology, ecology, and so forth. While the Malcolm Knapp Research Forest is dedicated to research and education, it is also open to the public from dawn to dusk every day. Community residents nearby and hikers love the well-maintained trails and majestic forest. Located on the traditional territory of the Katzie First Nation, the Malcolm Knapp Research Forest has a new vision of turning it into a living lab for embracing sustainable forest management practices and addressing the needs of climate change adaptation, indigenous relations, community resilience, recreation, as well as forest education and research. At the Malcolm Knapp Research Forest, you'll get a sense of why every day is a new adventure.
Oh yeah, we saw. There's one. It was beautiful, like flying around. So there might be a nest somewhere, but their range is like 5 to 4 report them and keep them. John Richardson, Michael Feller, and it's basically
big project. I mean, some of the projects here are as old as 1955, 1957. But this one that Len is talking about is a project looking at the effects of clear cutting on small streams. And we started in 1996. And they had this design where they had small streams that would log all the way to the stream, and then a 10-meter buffer.
By the UBC governors, it's 20 hectare over which really is. They're here! So basically, and it just, they're thick bark, so it just has this capacity of 500-year-old Tinsel Douglas fir. What is that called? There was a lot of them, but it tells me that 500 years ago there was such a large fire that was.
So we go around and assess all the trees on the trails, and if it's a very valuable wildlife tree and is not affecting the trails, then we call Michelle and we keep it.
Thank you for watching and listening. Please subscribe to this channel, Words of Woods.